The things we need are balls and baking soda and glue and food coloring and solution and a cup of water and a stick. First we need baking soda and need water for it. Now glue. So funny. Now we put the water. And then we have to mix it. Going to take a time. Put a little water. Then mix. Coloring. This is blue and this is yellow. Mix and mix, 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 mix. This is solution. Mix again. Mix, 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 more. It's not working. There you go. Mix, 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 mix. It looks like it's working. It is working. It is working. See, guys, just keep mixing. So hard. It works. It worked now. It's good now. Our slime is ready. We can play it now. This is so cool. That's it for today. So bye, guys. Thank you for watching.